In order for you to perform an earbud fit test on your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds, this is what you need to do. You need to begin by opening the Sony Sound Connect app and ensuring that your buds are connected to the app. If this means you removing them out of the case so that they can be detected, go ahead and do so. And then from here, all you need to do is simply scroll down and select device settings and then tap on wearing. Under wearing, simply go ahead and select check wearing condition and earbud tips. And then you can choose which test you want to begin taking. So you can choose to check the wearing condition first. So this means that if you're feeling discomfort or find the noise cancelling insufficient, you can be able to correctly change that by performing this test. So go ahead and tap on that option like so. Tap on next. And then you just need to go ahead and put the buds and then hold your phone to your face like so and just tap on start to perform the test. You can also do the same thing with the determine optimal earbud tips. You can tap on it like so, ensure that you're wearing the buds, and then tap on OK. And then you can select test the wearing condition, or you can just tap on compare all sizes and go through the different sizes until you find the one that suits you. And so that is how you can perform those tests for your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.